You need to watch this if you struggle with stubborn stability failures or feel stuck using outdated HLB methods. There's a smarter way to crack the code of modern emulsification. Here's how top formulators are winning in today's competitive market. Let's face it, basic HLB numbers just don't cut it anymore. If you want to create stable, high-performance emulsions in food, pharma, or cosmetics, you need to move beyond the basics. That's where our Advanced Emulsifiers chemistry, design, and stability training comes in. We'll take you deep into the world of interfacial rheology, molecular architecture, and the cutting-edge HLD NAC model, so you can select emulsifiers with precision and confidence. No more trial and error, just predictive, proven success. You'll learn next-gen ingredients like Gemini surfactants, biosurfactants, and Pickering particles, unlocking sustainable, superior formulations. We'll show you exactly how to bridge the gap from lab bench to commercial plant, so your perfect formula actually makes it to market, and don't get tripped up by regulations. We'll help you navigate global approval pathways, saving you time, money, and headaches. Ready to truly level up your formulation expertise? Join the training that top R&D chemists, process engineers, and product developers are talking about. Secure your spot, because the future of emulsifiers is here, and it's waiting for you. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now. And hey, also check out the newly launched OnlyTRAININGS Academy for hundreds of expert-led on-demand training courses.